When you're owning your healing, what do you do when nothing works? You keep on keeping on. You have your toolbox. Oh my God, it sounds so cliche, but you go into your gratitude and you acknowledge, if you can. This is so hard to do. I'm laughing at myself because I know it's hard to do, but you find and acknowledge the silver lining of the struggle. Okay, I'm going to say that again. You find just a glimmer of hope of the struggle. How do I even come up with an example? I think, losing my sister ignited my own creativity. I mean, that's a crazy silver lining, but it is. I feel way more connected to art and healing and supporting others' healing. She would have loved that. So find something that works and stick to it, because it makes a difference one day at a time.